Hey guys, it is Thursday here in West Virginia. We're doing our second F&F video. I wanted to give these sets their own 15 minutes, well actually 10 minutes of fame, because they're both really nice sets. We just did the premium set. Now we're doing the Walmart exclusive set. And this is the, I guess I would call semi-premium. They're metal, but the wheels are plastic, but they're nicely detailed plastic wheels. So here's number one in the latest 5-car installment. So as you can see, the wheels are not your typical mainline wheels that you see. They're not bad, but still, yet I would have preferred real riders if they're going this far. It's metal, and this is the R33 from Fast and Furious 1, and it looks really good. Everything's there, just like that premium that we've seen in the original 5 set that was released, I think, in 17 or 18. But yeah, all of the tampos are there. Very nice looking vehicle. Heavy casting too, actually. Nice card art. And then what is in this lineup? You have the R33, you have the Pantera, and you have a brand new casting, the 1966 Chevy Impala. Hot Wheels had the 65 lowrider, but they never had the 66. So you can see the stance is different than the lowrider. They look very similar. The 65 has round tail lights, whereas the 66 has rectangular tail lights and a more smooth grille in the front. Then we have the Nissan 350Z Custom, and I think this is the first time it's been back since the early releases of the Fast and Furious cars at Walmart, before they even started doing the premium stuff. And then the Porsche 911 GTS RS is a nice looking car too. I don't know if that's appeared in the F&F semi premium stuff or not before. I think it's appeared in the full premium with the real riders and stuff. So let's go ahead and move on to number 2, and that is your De Tomaso Pantera. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that or not, but anyways, this casting is fairly new too. As you can see, 2023. Really nice looking car, actually. Hot Wheels did a very nice job on it. Same diameter wheel all the way around on it. And as I said, these are not your typical like mainline wheels and tires. This is a split 5-spoke, kind of like the PR5s, but a little bit different. They look more realistic. Nice detail with the tail lights and the rear emblems. Same thing with the front end. Nice detail. Nice looking car. Really is. So, yeah, nice card art too. We'll go ahead and show you that. And the back is the same on the packages. It doesn't really specify which movie these were in, but some of them we remember. Like number 3, brand new casting, but it's from the last movie that we're waiting for the continuation. This was, what is his name? Jason Momoa's car. And it is pretty nice looking, pretty accurate too. I like these wheels that they make. These are kind of like a, I don't know, torque thrust looking 5-spoke. They are plastic, but they do look really good. As you can see on the bottom, 2023, another new casting. Tail lights, as I mentioned, they're more of a rectangle. And they have three little rectangles inside the bigger lens there, whereas the 65 was the last year for the round tail lights that was made popular in 1960, the 3 or 4 round tail lights it had. Then they carried it all the way to 65, and 66 they started modernizing a little bit, but you can see how the stance is a little higher than the 65 casting they have. It's got a real subtle cowl induction hood. That's pretty cool. And you have like what they would be like hood pins there. And as I said, they have a smoother grill on a 66. Now, this is something they did lack on. You don't really see a lot of detail in the grill. I wonder if this is going to be a variation for this car. Smooth grill, semi-smooth, or textured. But yeah, this would be kind of like a semi-smooth. You can see a little texture there, like they did with the Datsun 510 wagon. I'm not sure if we're going to see that on this or not. I doubt it, but that's what it reminded me of. So moving along to the fourth car in the set. And this is the one that was in Tokyo Drift. So that would be the third F&F movie. And this is pretty cool. The graphic on the side is kind of almost like 3D. You can see there. And I think this is the second or third time this car has appeared. Probably the third time. And as I said, this is one of the original ones that came out back in, oh, wow, this is a new casting, actually, 2024. Huh, so they retooled the 350Z, because they did the 350Z from Tokyo Drift back in, I don't know, it was probably like 2014 or something before they started even doing the premium F&F stuff. But maybe it is a brand new casting. You see, it's got side mirrors in it, casted in it. I don't remember that on the original one. Maybe they figured this was a lot more detailed, maybe? Not sure. But yeah, really cool looking car. No tail light detail, it doesn't look like. Huh. I don't know. I'll have to look on YouTube and see what I can find about this car. I would have bet money that was the old casting, but it's a retool car, 2024. So, last but not least is the Porsche. And this is a nice looking car. But this one, I think, is a plastic base, it looks like. All the other ones are metal on metal. This one feels light compared to the others. Has the same split 5 spokes as the Pantera GT3 RS. And no tail light detail. Huh. Kind of odd. Yeah, 1998 and 2022. So it was retooled maybe in 2022. Pretty cool looking Porsche. That was from, I think, Too Fast, Too Furious. But anyways, guys, that's it for this, too. This is your Walmart exclusive semi-premium set. They go for around $3.50 each. The easy ones to find in that case are the 350Z, the Pantera, and the Porsche. They made multiples of those. I think there was like 2 or 3 of each of those castings in the case, but only one R33 and only one 66 Impala. That's why they're going for bigger money on eBay, because they're a little bit harder to find. They did not make as many of them. So anyways, guys, that's it for this one. Hope you enjoyed it and you enjoy your weekend and such, and we will talk to you again soon. Thank you for watching.